Welcome back once again. We are continuing with our tutorials. So now we are going to use Elementor page builder for our settings. So let's go to page, click on page. Then we said we are using the general for as our home page, right? So go to edit, click on edit, and then now you see this edit with Elementor. So click on it. And let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay, so please let's reduce the size. So go to the three dots here and then reduce the zoom size. So zoom in and then we can close this. So click on it to close, and then you can also zoom out once more up to the 100%. So okay, so we are going to edit our page, the general news. We are going to edit it. Okay, so now let's click on this plus sign, select the first one, then let's go in for this one. We are going to add an image here. So let's go here, here, and then look for image. Okay, this one, then let's put it here. Okay, and I've taught you how to design a logo. So click here, and then my logo is not here, so I will insert my logo, upload it. So go to upload file, click here, and then let's see. If you want to use this one, you can go in for that. If this is what you want to use, I also have this. I think let me go in for this one. Is looking cool, man. I'll go in for this. I'll click on open to load it. You can give it a name or in a caption. Number one. Maybe a minimum block in Ghana. Okay, then you click on insert, but check if the logo, you can edit the logo also here. So you can click on edit image, and let's see if there's okay. So we have to see it's too big, so let's modify it. So click on crop here, you click on crop, and we can crop it. Let's resize it. Okay, we don't want the unwanted part to also appear. You resize it here. Okay, and then when you finish, click on apply, save, and then you are back to your image media, or your media. Good. And then you click on insert. Okay, so this is our logo, local news #1 in Ghana. Okay, so we are going to add colors. And we need a color picker. If you don't have a color picker, go here, just click enter color picker. Chrome extension. Color picker Chrome extension. Okay, this one. Then you can add your this is also another color picker. You can add that one if you want. So when you click on it, it will open. And you see I have it already, so it's remove from Chrome. I have it already. So that's like you see add to Chrome, and then you add it and it will appear. These are the color pickers that I'm going to use them. Okay, so you see okay, or you can also go in for this color picker eye drop. It's also cool. Okay, I also have that one. Okay, so that is that. Let me see. No, let me go and check my site name. So it's Noka Media. Okay, so I have to change the logo. I have to change it. So just click here and then go in for Noka Media. Let me delete this one. So you can click here to delete it permanently. So upload a new one. I will upload a new one. I'm going for this one. Noka Media. I think this one is cool. Okay. Let me check if I can edit the image as well. Okay, so click on crop and then crop it. Okay. I think it's okay. Click on apply and then click on save. Then I will use this one. So let me see Noka Media here. And then click on select. Okay, so I've already show you how to add a color picker to use so that you can use them. We are going to add colors to our website and we want it to look nice. So we are modifying the website and very soon you see how nice your blog website will look like. Okay, so what we do is let's go for the color picker and then select this color. I want this color. Let me select it from here. This one. So you copy this, copy it. Okay, and then go back here, click here, click on site settings, and then global color, click on it. So the primary color, I want to use this one, so under the primary color hash, then you paste your color. So this one here. Okay, so you have this color here, and okay, and that's for the primary color. Then let's go back. Let's save it. So you go to update to save your color. Let's go back and then pick the next color. So we are going for this one. I'll pick this color, then you copy it. Make sure you close it before you go to your global color. and that one will be our secondary color. No, not our secondary color, but this one, our accent color, this one. So here you enter hash and then you paste the color there. Okay, and then this is our test color. Our test color, I'll go in for 50-50. Okay, 50-50-50. What else? So now let's update it. So click on update. You see your change has been updated. Back to edit. Okay, so what else? Okay, let's add a font. Okay, so go back here again, then let me see. Like, we will remove this one from here. We will do that as time goes, so we will do that. So we add a font to our site. We are going to use popping. So go back here, click here, go to the size setting once again, and then now global font, click on it, then click here. We are going to use popping. So when you click on this, just enter popping, P-O-P-P, and then the poppings will come this one. You select it, then you click on this one also, click here, enter P-O-P-P, select it here, P-O-P-P, select, okay, click here, P-O-P-P, select it, and now update it. We are not done yet. There are other things that we have to go. So let's go to go back and then come to typography. Click on typography. Okay, so over here we are going to change the typography also. So click here. We are going to use the same poppings. Sorry. Okay, so poppings. So you see, it's about 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about, check them and then do the same thing. I'm going to pause the video and then continue later. So you to follow it, just click on the typography, the font, and then change it to poppings, just like that. Okay, so I've finished with all. So click on update to update it. Okay, now we haven't finished. There are more to do, so let's go back to our settings, and then here click on layout. Click on layout. Okay, so when we click on the site layout, let's change this one to let's make it 1200. sorry, 1200. Okay, then update it. What else? I don't want this one to appear, so if you want to say, we will still bring it back, but we don't want, because this is our logo and we have our logo here. Okay, so we want to hide them, so go back here, go back, and then go to hello team header, click on it, then you hide the logo. Okay, the taglines, and then the menu. Okay, so we have this. Now update it. If you want to bring it back, you go to the same place. So let's update it, and then now we close this one. So update it. Okay, so for now let's end here and continue. Bye for now.